Hello students, my name is Kesi George, your accounting teacher. Alright, now in this video we are going to continue with the concept of accounting equation. So students, if you have not watched the part 1 of this video, please try to do that before you continue with this video, okay? So in the last video, we concluded that accounting equation is giving us assets equals to capital plus liability, if you remember. Then we said this equation shows the relationship between the assets and the equity of the business, okay? That is the capital and the liability of the business. Then I told you that this capital is also known as owner's equity, which is the financial right towards the assets of the business. Then I also said that the accounting equation is the basis for the preparation of accounts of business, okay? Now let's look at this question. Let us apply this equation, okay? The question says that illustration 1, calculate the amount of capital. You have been given the motor van, the assets of the business. Motor van is an asset. Fixtures is an asset. Bank loan is an asset. Cash, bank loan, this is a liability. Cash in hand, that is an asset. Trade creditors, that is a liability. Then trade debtors, that is an asset. Inventories, that is an asset, okay? So the first thing is to identify the assets from this question. Then I told you, you can make, since you are asked to calculate the capital, let's make C the subject of the formula. How do you make C the subject of the formula? Okay, you move L to this side. This is plus L. When it comes to this other side, it becomes A minus L equals to capital, okay? Take note of that. So from this question, you will write calculation of capital, okay? Calculation of capital. Then you first list out your assets. So you write assets. What are your assets? Number 1, motor van is an asset, okay? Motor van, that is an asset. Are you with me? Then you write motor van. Right, you have your 2 naira column. That motor van, we have 50,000. Then fixtures is also an asset. You write fixtures, that is 15,000. Okay, bank loan is a liability. All right, then we have cash in hand is also an asset. Cash in hand, that is 10,000. Then you tick. We have trade debtors is an asset. Trade debtors, that's 13,500. Okay, then inventories is also an asset, and that is 4,500. So our assets, you get the total assets. Then we have our liabilities. Write your liabilities. All right, so under the liabilities, we have the bank loan. So we have bank loan. So how much is the bank loan? The bank loan is 5,000. Then you have your 5,000. Then what other thing? That's trade creditors. So you have trade creditors. What do you have? That is 12,000 naira. Then this will give you 17,000. then you subtract. So when you add this is 50,000 plus 15, that's 65. This is 75 plus 13.5. So we have 75 plus 13.5 plus 4.5, and that will give you 93,000. Okay, so this is 93. Our total asset is 93,000. So don't forget, capital is, what is capital? Capital is assets minus liability. So when you subtract your liability from this total assets, so we have 73,000 minus 17. So what do you have? 76,000. So our capital is 76,000. Okay, that's our capital. That's the capital. All right. Now, if you love this video, please do share with your friends. Bye for now.